Discover how to nurture and nourish your brain for top performance. Today, you'll discover how your brain works, what we're all doing wrong, and how to tap into the full potential of your brain. It's a proven fact that most people are not getting the most out of their brains. The good news is, our minds can be trained. It's true your brain is like any other muscle in your body, but most people either don't realize they can train their brains for better performance, or it's just hard to find the time to do it. It's understandable. Our modern lives are stressful. Between work and day-to-day obligations, it's difficult for most people to even make it to the gym, much less find the time to train their brains for maximum performance. But learning to improve your brain health by nurturing and nourishing your brain is in many ways more important than exercising your body. That's because when your brain is operating at peak performance, it can positively impact every facet of your life. The really exciting thing is that we're just now starting to understand how important brain health really is. That means you have an opportunity that people in the past just didn't have. In fact, not all that long ago, scientists believed that the brain was done developing and everything would be set in stone at adulthood. That's way off the mark. Our brains continue to grow, develop and change throughout our entire lives. That means you're able to have new memories and learn new things. And new brain cells form in multiple regions of your brain through a process we now know as neurogenesis. So, what does all this mean to you? Since it has now been scientifically proven that your brain is not done developing at adulthood, you have the opportunity to mold and shape your brain, improve your brain's health, increase your intelligence, and truly live your life to the fullest and get the most from your brain. So, now you're probably wondering, how do I improve my brain and maximize my performance? Well, it's a good question. Especially since most people don't realize that they can actively improve their brains. When most people start looking at ways to improve brain health, they go online. Although there is a lot of information online about things like brain plasticity, brain health, and improving your mental performance, not all of it is 100% accurate. And you don't get a full picture of everything that you should be doing to improve your brain health online. What you really need is to have an expert at improving brain health to help you get results quickly. That's why I've put together the ultimate guide for nurturing and nourishing your brain, to help you maximize your performance and live the best life possible. Inside you'll discover how your brain works, the nature of intelligence, how brain plasticity changes everything we once thought we knew about the brain, why proper nutrition is crucial for optimum brain function, how to make small changes in your daily lifestyle to increase intelligence and improve performance, how to increase focus and concentration almost instantly by doing a few simple things that anyone can do, the best way to train your body to ultimately train your mind, how to legally hack your mind and shortcut your way to better brain performance with nootropics, the power of meditation and how you can get better performance with a very simple meditation technique, plus a whole lot more. This guide gives you everything you need to start improving your brain's health today. If you answer yes to any of this, this is for you. You struggle with staying focused. You often get stressed out. You've started to work on improving your brain health and you want a complete step-by-step guide to do it correctly. you're interested in nootropics and want to get the most out of them. Or you want to make sure you live a full life with the best health possible. When you make the wise decision to grab my guide, the step-by-step methods inside will change your life for the better. And this isn't just a short-term change. Your life will be changed forever. But the best thing about this guide is the price. Although it will be easy to charge hundreds of dollars for this life-changing guide, you won't pay anywhere near that today. In fact, for a very limited time, you can get access to this for less than you'd spend on an afternoon at the movie theatre. To get started and lock in your special pricing, click the Add to Cart button below. And to make this even better, when you take action today, you'll get access to 4 powerful bonuses for free. Fast Action Bonus number 1 is a cheat sheet that breaks down the guide into some very easy to follow step-by-step processes. This cheat sheet makes it easy to stick with improving your brain health. Fast Action Bonus number 2 is a mind map that gives you an overview of every step you need to apply to see the best results. It's great for those people that need to see it all laid out in a visual format. Fast Action Bonus number 3 is a resource guide that conveniently lists all of the important tools and resources you need to start improving your brain health. And Fast Action Bonus number 4 is a beautiful infographic that makes it easy to see various brain health boosting methods at a glance. And don't worry, you don't have to make a decision today. You get a full 30 days to test drive this guide to improving your brain health. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside the course, simply let me know and I'll promptly refund your tiny investment. No questions asked. Don't delay. If you come back tomorrow, the price may be higher and this offer may not even be available. If you're ready to learn how to improve your brain health, now and for the rest of your life, click the button below to get instant access and get started today.